Hey, we had our 8th straight day in the 80s after I thought it would end at 7, but Caribou snuck up to 82. Where does that stand historically? By the way, I'm Chief Meteorologist Ted Shapiro, thanking you for clicking over to WAGM's Weather on the Web. Records have been kept since 1939. Now, you figure it can get to 80 degrees anytime from, realistically, anytime from May into the first part of September. So that's a lot of months of possibilities over all of those years. A run of 880s has only happened 10 times. Today was the 10th time it's happened. 3 times the run has gone 1 day longer, so there have been 3 980s in a row. Never, back to 1939, have there been 10 80s in a row at Caribou. This evening, showers, embedded downpours, possible thunder, but the lightning has not been widespread, thankfully. Weekend, driest the further north you are, more showery the further south you are, but for everybody it is going to remain on the humid side right through the weekend and into early next week. It sure is right now. Look at these dew points, and once you get to dew points around 70, as it is in Bangor and Portland and near 70 up in Frenchville, that's when, I like to use a pretty strong word, intolerable. Most native northern New Englanders find humidity levels with dew points at 70 degrees, the mugginess of the air, to be just absolutely too tough to take. All right, the last 6 hours of radar shows a lot of rain with those embedded downpours. Those are the ones in red, those being the downpours, the reds, the oranges. That's where it's raining the hardest, and if you get under one of those cores of heavy rain, this particular one is heading off generally toward Long Lake, but there's a lot of embedded downpours. You can see those blotches of yellow, orange, and red all over the place. Southern Aroostook will get it as well. It's happening in Penobscot County, or happened, and now moving into southern Aroostook County. Radar estimates under those downpours as much as 3/4 of an inch of rain in an hour's time. Let's go ahead and move on to the way the weather map's going to look tomorrow. Here's what you need to know. If you're in the south or heading south, you're going to run into quite a few showers. But if you're in the north or heading north, you're going to have a pretty dry day, and the same will be the case on Sunday. What's triggering tonight's showers and the downpours and the isolated lightning strikes is a cold front that's making slow progress to the southeast, so it's areas that are going to be out in advance of the front that are going to have the best chance of the showers. Areas on the other side of the front will have the best chance of staying dry. So if you're up in the valley, a largely dry weekend after all. Tonight, we're all getting the showers, though, with the downpours and the possible thunder and some patchy fog and another warm and muggy night. South winds at 5 to 15. Tomorrow, dry north, showers south. What about central Aroostook County? What about the southern half of Victoria County over in western New Brunswick? There could be some morning showers around, but probably a dry afternoon. 74 to 78 for a high, still muggy tomorrow. Muggy tomorrow night, chance for a few showers in the south as that front continues to settle south and east. 59 to 63 for an overnight low. Now your 7-day forecast. We have covered the weekend. Monday, we'll all see afternoon showers and storms. Tuesday looks showery for all regions, off and on showers. Another round of showers and storms Wednesday. Note the high temperature trend heading down toward the lower 70s. And in terms of the mugginess, note what the overnight lows are doing from the 60s. And as I said yesterday, when you see an overnight low around 60, plan on it feeling humid, but look at what happens to those overnight lows later on next week. That's a sign that we'll finally get a break from the mugginess. So again, the showers and storms on Wednesday, still a chance for a few showers on Thursday, and right now, Friday, next Friday, a week from today, looks dry.